Hey there! Are you tired of going to the gym and not seeing the results you want? Do you feel like you're investing a lot of time and effort into your workouts, but still not getting the desired outcome? Well, you're not alone. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my ultimate guide to from home workouts to results. First and foremost, it's important to have a well-planned and structured workout routine. Make sure you include a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. The key is to stay consistent and follow the routine diligently. Next, make sure you're using proper form and equipment. You don't want to be injured and give up on your fitness journey, so take your time and invest in quality workout gear. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure you make time for your workouts no matter what. Another important aspect of your workout routine is nutrition. Fueling your body with the right nutrients is crucial for optimal performance and recovery. Focus on consuming a balanced diet, rich in lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Don't forget to stay hydrated too. Lastly, the environment you work out in can make or break your workout results. Find a space in your home that is comfortable, quiet, and free from distractions. This could be a dedicated workout room or even your living room if you have a comfortable chair and some space to move around. Lastly, the most important tip for from home workouts to results is motivation. Find a workout buddy, watch workout videos online, or use fitness apps to keep you accountable and motivated. You need to believe in your abilities and have faith that with time and dedication, you'll see the results you desire. Remember, consistency and proper nutrition are the keys to success.